how SpaceX will build the impossible Mars city. Earth. For all of human history, it's been our only home, but 140 million miles away, a cold, red, and desert-like world is waiting. For decades, we thought living on Mars was pure science fiction, but right now, in the star-filled deserts of South Texas, SpaceX is building the Starship, a ship designed to turn us into a multi-planetary species. Elon Musk doesn't just want to visit Mars, he wants to build a city of 1 million people. An impossible city. But how do you build a civilization on a planet where the air is unbreathable, the soil is toxic, and the temperature drops to -80 degrees Fahrenheit? In this video we're going to break down the step-by-step engineering blueprint of how SpaceX will build the impossible city on Mars. The logistics. Why Starship? To build a city, you need supplies, lots of them, millions of tons of cargo. Before SpaceX, sending stuff to space was like flying a Boeing 747 across the ocean and then throwing the plane away in the trash. It was too expensive. The game changer. Full reusability. Reusability. The rocket. Starship is the tallest and most powerful rocket ever built. It's made of stainless steel, cheap, durable, and easy to weld. Refilling in orbit. Imagine going on a road trip but having to carry all your fuel for the whole month in the trunk. You wouldn't have room for luggage. Starship solves this by refilling its tanks in Earth's orbit using tanker ships, allowing it to carry 100 tons of cargo all the way to Mars. Phase 1. The Robot Pioneers. The first humans won't land on a bare planet. Years before people arrive, SpaceX will send a fleet of uncrewed cargo starships. Their mission? Find water and build the gas station. First, hunting for ice. Mars has giant underground glaciers. Robots will use ground-penetrating radar to find the best spots. This ice isn't just for drinking, it's the key to going home. Second, the Sabatier reaction, making fuel. Mars' atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide. By combining that carbon dioxide with hydrogen from the water ice, SpaceX will create methane and liquid oxygen. This is called the Sabatier process. Essentially, the city will manufacture its own rocket fuel to send ships back to Earth. Phase 2. Mars Base Alpha. Once the fuel plant is working, the first Martians arrive. They won't be living in glass domes yet. Their first homes? The starships themselves. Vertical cities. A starship is as tall as a 16-story building. The nose cone will serve as the initial living quarters, labs, and kitchens. 3D printing with dust. To protect against radiation, robots will use regolith, Mars dust, to 3D print thick shells over inflatable habitats. Think of it like building a high-tech igloo out of Martian sand. Life support, breathing and eating. How do you survive in a place that wants to kill you? You create a closed-loop system. The air. Machines will constantly scrub CO2 and recycle oxygen. Every drop of sweat and urine will be purified back into drinking water. The food. Martian soil is perchlorate, heavy, which is toxic. So, colonists will use hydroponics. Plants will grow in nutrient-rich water under LED lights. Initially, the diet will be very vegan. Lots of soy, spirulina, and lab-grown meat. The vision, 1 million people. SpaceX's Star Factory in Texas is designed to build one Starship every day. Musk's goal is a fleet of 1,000 ships departing every 26 months when Earth and Mars are closest. Why 1 million? A city needs to be self-sustaining. If the ships from Earth stop coming, the city must be able to survive on its own. You need doctors, engineers, farmers, and even artists. You need a whole economy. The risks. It's not all sunshine and red dust. Mars is brutal. Dust storms. They can last for months, blocking the sun and killing solar power. Low gravity. Mars has only 38% of Earth's gravity. We don't yet know if human babies can develop normally there. Radiation. Without a magnetic field, Mars is blasted by cosmic rays. Long-term residents might have to live mostly underground in lava tubes, natural caves. Building a city on Mars is arguably the hardest thing humans will ever try. It will be dangerous, cramped, and difficult. But as Elon Musk says, it's about having a future where we are excited about what's going to happen, rather than one where we are not. We are living in the era where The Martian goes from a movie to a reality. Would you take a one-way ticket to the Red Planet? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more space tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.